Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler at Jennette's Pier. We're looking at the choppy North Atlantic Ocean as southeast winds blow in front of storm clouds ahead of a front and an expected gale later on tonight. The wind turbine mounts are facing southeast here on the coast. At Jennette's Pier, we have beautiful blue-green water as the waves roll in. Not a surfer in sight. Seems like no one is willing to get out into the cold water to surf some sloppy waves. I took a little break today myself. It's been a busy week, but thinking we need to get the tempo of our surfing up so that we can get ourselves in better form. We've been doing surf exercises and getting out more and more, and look to do so more in the future. To get out and provide you guys with some observations and also advocate for coastal defense. And to that point, I'd like to give a shout out to the governor of North Carolina who's supporting the deployment of wind turbines off the coast of North Carolina. Majestic towers of clean energy out here off the coast. I wholeheartedly support it. It's a way to build jobs here and to defend our coastlines. We need to do it. We need to embrace the future. And we can. Golden rays of sunlight streaming down across the beach. As clouds approach. South ahead of the front. Now we do have some breaks in the clouds this afternoon, allowing the beautiful golden sunlight to stream down on the Outer Banks Ocean. Very clear water yesterday during the paddle out. I have a video of the paddle out up on my YouTubes that you can see. The water also looks very clear today. Just gorgeous foam, that teal blue coloration mixing in with the white. Wonderful frolic of the ocean here today at Jennette's Pier. I think I'm going to go ahead and take a little walk under the pier with you. We've got some time. There's a nice channel on both sides of the pier that you can paddle out through. Made good use of that yesterday. Fast paddle out, learning how to paddle the Lost Rocket Redux quad, feeling stronger and stronger. The board really has wings, and I'm thinking that it will have even more in the way of wings if I size the fins down to medium, which I might try to do by summer. We've got a few projects on the way for surf here. Ironically, I think the next one needs to be contacts so that I can see better in the surf. Not that my eyesight is terrible, but being able to discern more detail is always helpful. You can see water pulling across the sandbar, the angle of the waves, and how the waves are forming. And I would like to have every advantage available as I get out here in the Outer Banks surf. But I'm feeling more comfortable, which is good. We had a couple of Friday for Future statements today. Today is Friday for Future. I encourage you to get out and support your climate activists today. Those standing on the front lines of the climate crisis and advocating for climate justice and climate action. Primarily the mass deployment of clean energy right now, which is so needed to halt fossil fuel burning. And then to follow that up to do all the other things to help rejuvenate and sustain our Earth system, which we can do, which morality implores us we must do if we are to have a good life for both our civilizations here as human beings on the Earth, and also for the other forms of life. And as I talk about life, there is, waves coming up to my toes. There's a mass of birds sitting out here on the ocean surface. I don't know if you can see them. I'll zoom in as close as I can. You can see their little heads poking up out of the water, and this mass of birds are rippling the water off Jennette's Pier. Looks like easily a couple hundred birds frolicking in the surf. Fascinating. Just sitting here off the north side of Jennette's Pier, out in the sandbar. You should be able to see them now as the wave forms up. Wow. Some ocean birds sitting in the surf. I wonder if they're sheltering there ahead of the storm. Wow, in the face of that wave. Look at that. So beautiful. Let's see if we can get a still shot of them for you guys later on today. Amazing the things you see out here on the Outer Banks. So much life, so much wildlife. And every day a testament to how much we need to preserve and defend our beautiful coastlines. Another large swell rolls in. Looks like a good 3-footer at least. Well, not the front one, but the back one. Just another beautiful afternoon here in Jennette's Pier. Thank you for joining me for this session of the OVX Wave Report. Friday for future session. And please do everything you can to help speed the mass deployment of clean energy, to help support your climate activists, your climate scientists, and your clean energy advocates, as well as the various institutions and organizations that help facilitate the deployment of clean energy and the cessation of fossil fuel burning. So thank you for joining me again. I will be back with you once more.